Good morning, everyone. You may be wondering why I have summoned you this early, but there is a reason. Here it is.
Whoa, wait a minute. Where's Black Widow and Hawkeye?
Well, I'll come to that later on. But the reason I have summoned you is that I was thinking, Black Widow and Hawkeye, they are not really superheroes, are they? I mean, they haven't even got superpowers. So why don't we go collect some real heroes for our team? So, you were basically saying that we should kick out Black Widow and Hawkeye? Well, no, not yet. But if we find some real superheroes for our team, then we should probably kick them out. But there are tons of superheroes out there. Who should it be then? I was thinking someone like Spider-Man and the Wolverine. You do realize that these superheroes are owned by 20th Century Fox and Sony, right?
Yeah, I know that. But, I mean, who cares?
Have you got a plan then?
Of course. The plan is, we go to their studios and we convince them that the Avengers is a good idea. And if they will not be convinced,
well, then we beat the crap out of them.
Sounds like a good plan to me.
Batman, how good it is to see you again, old friend. Just a minute. Ah, come on. We just started the fight. It's Batman.
Ah, Batman! Good to hear your voice again. We really kinda need you at the Justice League headquarters. I have something very important to tell you.
I have to go now. Ah, come on. We just started. Yeah, but you know, Justice League business.
Is he coming?
I think so. Yeah, right, guys. What are the Avengers? A bunch of humans on steroids? Am I right, guys? Well, I guess. Yeah, I mean, we've got super bulletproof aliens on our team. Am I right? Everyone here has got a superpower. Well, everyone except Batman. Actually, why is Batman a part of the Justice League? I mean, he just dresses up like a bat and acts as though he's a hero.
I'm Batman.
Oh, Batman! Thank God you are here. We have very important things to discuss.
Well, shall we start the meeting?
Hey guys! So, what's the problem? Well, the problem is that we are not as popular as the Avengers. The Avengers just earned $1 billion on their movie. And what are you going to do about that? Well, I was thinking that if we could steal 2 Marvel superheroes, we would become just as popular as the Avengers. But Superman, stealing is illegal.
It's not stealing, as long as we use them for something good.
Who should we steal then?
Well, I don't think we should steal them, like a kidnapping or something. I think it's a much better idea to just convince them that the Justice League is much more awesome than the Avengers. And I was thinking that we could try to recruit Spider-Man and the Wolverine, perhaps.
Sounds like a good plan.
Well, let's get started.